Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are good and doing well at home. So children, as you all know that this is our online EVS class and we are doing activity today. So our first activity is on lesson number 4, that is time to celebrate. So children, today we will do riddles on festivals. Okay, so for this you have to understand all the riddles from this video, and for understanding all this you have to listen to my video very carefully. So children, I hope you all have also completed your last activity of last chapter which I gave you yesterday. Those who have not completed can complete it on time. Always complete your work on time and get it corrected by me in the school. Okay, now starting with our today's work. First of all children, what you will all do, that you will take a new page on your EVS notebooks and you will write down the date, today's date, that is 3/9/2020. Okay, now first line you will give the heading lesson number 4, time to celebrate. In the second line you will give the subheading, that is activity 1. Now the first question of activity 1 is riddles on festivals. So our first riddle is, I am a festival of lights and people decorate their houses with candles and diyas. Which festival am I? So children, in this riddle it is asking that I am a festival of lights. ये एक फेस्टिवल, लाइट्स का फेस्टिवल है और इसमें लोग अपने हाउसेस को, अपने घरों को कैंडल्स और दिया से सजाते हैं. सो विच इज द फेस्टिवल? एनी गेसेस चिल्ड्रन? यस, द करेक्ट आंसर इज दिवाली. DIWALI, दिवाली. नाउ द सेकेंड रिडल इज, I am a festival in which a sweet dish, sevaya, is prepared. Which festival am I? In this riddle it is said that it is asking that it is a festival in which a sweet dish, एक मिठाई बनाई जाती है जिसका नाम सेवई होता है. तो वो किस फेस्टिवल में बनती है? Which is the festival? That is Eid. EID, Eid. Now coming to the third riddle, that is, I am a festival in which Guru Granth Sahib, the holy book, Guru Granth Sahib is the holy book of the Sikhs. So it is taken out in a big procession. Which festival am I? Now in this riddle it is asking that Guru Granth Sahib is a holy book. एक holy book है Sikhs की जिसका नाम है गुरु ग्रंथ साहिब. उसको हम एक बहुत बड़े प्रोसेशन में लेके जाते हैं. तो what is that festival? That is Guru Purab. The spelling is GURPURAB, Gurpurab. Now coming to the fourth riddle, that is, I am a festival in which people play with colors and throw gulal on each other. Which festival am I? Now children, this riddle is asking you that festival of colors in which people play with colors and throw gulal on each other. कौन सा ऐसा फेस्टिवल है जिसमें हम कलर्स से खेलते हैं और एक दूसरे पे गुलाल उड़ाते हैं? तो विच इज दैट फेस्टिवल? होली. ओके, HOLI, होली इज द करेक्ट आंसर. नाउ कमिंग टू द फिफ्थ रिडल, आई एम अ फेस्टिवल ऑन विच द बर्थडे ऑफ जीसस क्राइस्ट इज सेलिब्रेटेड. विच फेस्टिवल एम आई? नाउ चिल्ड्रन, on which festival the birthday of Jesus Christ is celebrated? It is Christmas. CHRISTMAS, Christmas. Christmas is celebrated every year on 25th of December. Okay, so remember that Christmas is celebrated on 25th December as the birthday of Jesus Christ. Now the F part is, I am a famous festival of Punjab. Bhangra is the famous dance. Which festival am I? Now children, famous festival of Punjab, and this festival is also known as the harvest festival, and on this festival people do Bhangra dance, which is very famous dance of Punjab. So which festival is it? Baisakhi. 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 Okay. Now coming to the G part, that is, I am a famous festival of Kerala. The main attraction of this festival is boat race. Which festival am I? So children, you all remember the famous festival of Kerala was Onam. Yes, the spelling is O-N-A-M, Onam. And you all remember that on the festival of Onam, a boat race is the main attraction. And what is the name of the boat which are used in this race? Snake boats. Okay, always remember the boats which are used in the festival of Onam are snake boats. Okay, now coming to the H part, that is, I am a national festival. I am celebrated on 15th of August every year. Which festival am I? Now this is a national festival which is celebrated on 15th August. हर साल हम जो 15th अगस्त को नेशनल फेस्टिवल सेलिब्रेट करते हैं, वो कौन सा फेस्टिवल होता है? इंडिपेंडेंस डे. स्पेलिंग इज INDEPENDENCE. Independence Day. Is that clear? Now the next riddle is, I am a festival celebrated as the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi on 2nd October every year. Okay, which festival am I? Now this is a festival celebrated as the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was also known as the father of nation, and his birthday every year is celebrated on 2nd of October, and it is celebrated as the name of which festival? Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi, Gandhi, Jayanti, Gandhi Jayanti. Is that clear? Now coming to the last part, last riddle, that is, I am a festival celebrated on 26th January every year. National festival which is celebrated on 26th January every year. Which festival am I, children? It is Republic Day. REPUBLIC, Republic Day. Okay, and on Republic Day, who takes the salute of the parade? The President of India takes the salute of the parade, which is held at the Rajpath, okay, in New Delhi. So I hope this activity is clear to you all. I hope you all have understood this activity. So now children, you have with this video I will be giving you an assignment of the same activity, and you have to complete it in your EVS notebooks. Okay, and make sure that you will do it in your EVS notebook, and you will do it very neatly, nicely, properly, and you will get your copy corrected. Okay, and I'm always telling you that your copy correction time is from 10 AM to 1 PM from every Monday to Friday. Okay, you can come from Monday to Friday, anytime you can come, and any day you can come, and the timings for copy correction is from 10 AM to 1 PM. Okay, so complete your work, and this activity you will complete on your own. Okay children, you should know the answers. So if you have any problem, anything which you have not understood, you can write me in the comment section, and you can ask me from there. Okay, till my next video children, bye bye, take care, stay at home, stay safe.